Good afternoon, everyone. I am thrilled to welcome you here once again in the afternoon session. As previously discussed in the morning session, we have looked Nifty consolidating a bit, right? And from last 2 days, Nifty is consolidating, but it has showing some breakout as of now, showing some positivity. We are seeing some positivity in the Nifty. Uh, now now we will go through the analysis of Nifty. What is holding Nifty back and why there is a confidence in market to go through the Nifty and what it's taking to go grow the Nifty, right? So we will go through all the analysis. So this I want to repeat it once again. This session is all about interaction. As you know, so we encourage people to interact you and go through all the analysis we have, right? So you can gain something, you can make profit out of it. Try to interact more, so we will be able to provide you with recommendations, solve your query into it, and will be better for your investment, and you can make maximum profit out of it. The more you interact with us, the more we understand your needs, and the more we will be able to deliver what is your requirement, right? Type in the chat, ask questions, and let's make a productive session. Let's go through Nifty as of now. We will look what market is holding for us. Let me introduce about myself before going through the session. I am Aditya. I am an analyst from last 7 years. I have started my professional trading journey back in 2018, and I started my trading journey back then when I was in college. And I have trading experience in covering Indian equity, forex, derivatives, gold, commodities, in all these segments. And in my professional journey, I have managed a portfolio of hundreds crore, where I have generated massive wealth for the clients, right? And we will discuss the objective of the session. We will be discussing what it's going to in the Nifty and what it is holding to grow the Nifty as of now. It has increased to 0.55% as of now, and we are looking some positivity in the Nifty. We will talk about that and what's the positive in the Nifty, and it's going through its resistance, breaking a resistance. Will it break its resistance at 24,350 levels, or it will stay there, right? It's a live market session, so be attentive. We can catch something up and make this session productive. So we will look what we have provided. Uh, our previous is called each and everything once we analyze the Nifty market as of now, right? So we are seeing there is a growth in Nifty uh, with a point, with an increment of 100 to 120 points as of now. And we are looking, there has been good bullish segment as of now. We will look into the 1 minute chart, like what is there. It's a red candlestick. We will go through the 1 hour chart. It is much more better, I guess. Then we look in last 1 hour. Nifty is showing some consolidation here, right? It is trying to break its resistance at 24,400 levels. It is trading around that, right? Can you see? It is trading around 24,400 mark, and it is not able to break that mark. So it's consolidating here, as we have already shown you what could be the possible consolidation period. Now in the 4 hour chart, Nifty is showing some positivity, showing some negativity here, but it has grown 0.5%. It has given you the profit of 0.5% as of now. Now we will we will see like Nifty is able to break this or not, right? We will able to see Nifty is able to break this for 24,400 mark or not. Once it crosses its 3 day averages of 24,300, we will be able to see Nifty growing to its another level, making its another support at the higher level, and it is possible that Nifty may reach around 25,000 level in coming days. Now we will see what we have provided to you and analyze each and everything, each and every stock, how it's performing, what are the performance till now, and how we have done till now. Right. So in the Poonawalla FinCorp, as of today, it's showing some it's a balance 0.1% negativity in it. It has fallen by few points, and in the most of the stocks which we have recommended are in green as of now. From ranging from RBL Bank 0.5% increase. There's been increase in all the stocks which we have provided, except to Annapurna and Poonawalla. Right. So we will look why the Poonawalla is not performing well for many days. We have given you the recommendation, and we will analyze each and everything. Today we will do the fundamental analysis of Poonawalla, which is into the finance sector, right? Then we will know what it is going to unfold, the story of Poonawalla, why it is consolidating as of now, and what the story holds for us. And we will analyze each and everything. Looking into the charts of each and every stock, we are able to see that the stock is consolidating. The Poonawalla is ranging from 350 to 360 level as of now. It's not showing much downside nor upside, right? And in the RBL Bank too, we are seeing a range of 150 to 165 of range. It's not showing much of the potential. In the Monday, every stock was positive, so RBI Bank also followed it. In the National Fertilizer, it is showing some increase in it in last 5 days. We are seeing it has been increasing constantly, right? In National Fertilizers Limited is increasing constantly from its level of 105, 106. It has increased to 116 level. So you can look, it has been increase of 10% as of now in just last 5 days, which we have recommended to you. So you could have booked profit here, and rest of the stocks are also high, but not we are able to achieve profit. We are not able to book profit in it. We will explain what's what it is going to be there. You could have already booked profit in National Fertilizer Limited as we have recommended, and Avatel is also doing great. Avatel is following what we have analyzed. It was recommended around 145, 146. Now it's trading at 154, 155, 156 range, right? So it's a very good sign that all most of the stocks which we have recommended is following the upside potential. The market is little bit supporting in last 2 3 days, and the market has increased by 1 to 2%, but our stocks are performing much better than that. We have provided returns of 5 to 10% in some stocks, and some are consolidating. It has not fallen much, but it are consolidating, and we are very positive about that. We are very confident about our investment. So we will look. The Annapurna is quite consolidating. It is ranging from 370 to 390 level. It is not showing any bullishness or any negativity, bearishness in it. Right. So we have analyzed our stocks. Why Poonawalla is consolidating as of now. It is showing some big green candles at a point of time. There are three big candles at three areas, but it is not increasing as we are expecting it to increase. Right? It has increased to 2 3%, but the fall which Punawala had previously, it is not showing gain at that point of time, right? At that much. In RBL Bank, we have seen one green candle in it, and that was a very big, and it has averaged the positions of from its low to high. And in National Fertilizer, there are some green candles. It is increasing each and every time. Most of the candles, if you see here, are green. So it is increasing bit by bit. It is increasing slowly. It has increased by 10% slowly and steadily. And Aventel, looking, there are some green candles in it, the big green candles which have pushed its stock to 154, 155 levels from its uh, below of 145 5 days back, right? and Hindustan Aerospace is also increasing from its level of 180. It is trying to get back to its previous level. Right, we have provided the Hindustan Oil Exploration at a first call at 250. We have averaged that Hindustan Oil Exploration at 190 levels. Now it is trading around that, and we are expecting it to grow. The Oil Exploration, we have averaged it, and if any updates come to us, we will update you with that and average all the Hindustan Oil Exploration stock, and we will surely make you the profit and make you exit in a good way, at a good price, right? So we have analyzed our major stocks. We will go through the analysis what we are having. The We have analyzed what Nifty is going through, how it can break the its resistance at to 24,350 levels, 400 levels, and make the new high of 25,000 in the coming days, right? Once it crosses the 25,000 mark, I believe people will be more positive in it, and people will tend to buy Nifty more. In the fundamentals which he had, the Nifty was trading at 26,000, and the technical, if you even if you analyze technically, it is at its support, and now there are not much downfall expected from this point. There may be some consolidation as of now, because there is not much clarity in the market. There has been recent election in the USS which is impacting the market a lot, and after that we can see Nifty, once we get the clarity in the market, once the FII get confidence in the market, we will be able to see Nifty growing a lot, right? There is some confusion going on right now. FII were selling from the start of November till now, but they are starting gaining confidence, and they are buying it from last 2 days. So that is a positivity, and even for today we are expecting the FII are buying the stock. That's why the Nifty is positive, Nifty is showing positivity, and retailer investment are also gaining confidence in it. And the year is going to end, everyone wants to and in a good note, so we recommend to uh, follow this Nifty and look how the Nifty unfolds and what profit you can make from our recommendation, right? Now coming to the, we have covered this part. We have seen what has gone through, and what are the possibilities, what are the candles here, what it's showing. And for every stock we have gone through the analysis, like where it was like 5 day and where it is now. Most of the stocks which we see are in good condition, are either consolidating at the same level or above that, or they have given the returns to you. Some at 5%, Avental, and some at 10%, the National Fertilizers Limited, which is a very good return in a 5 days time frame. And we are expecting much more to close our deals, our exit price, and make profits for you, right? Uh, now we will look. Now we will analyze the market. Right, we will analyze what it's going through. As we have discussed, we will look into the, as we have already discussed, Nifty is showing the heavy buying here from this level. From when we were off, where we are not live, Nifty was showing very positivity, and we are expecting, Nifty was concentrating from the morning, and it has shown some positivity. It has shown some straight buying as of now. People were very positive about it. Hey, Nifty has grown by 100 points as of now, and we are expecting. Let's see, there is some news or not, right? As we have discussed previously, there was some flat trend going on. Nifty was neither high nor low, but it has, because it has a mixed global cues way, right? FIA maybe were not confident, and now they have entered the market. They have started buying, and they will buy a lot. I am expecting the Nifty to grow more because it's showing some bullishness in it. And yesterday was a consolidation session, consolidated period. Now the Nifty is showing the bullishness. We will now analyze like Punawala. Look, Punawala we have provided a long back, right, at three. We will look Punawala we have provided a long back in the month of in the last month, and it's not performing well as of now. Each and every stocks which we have given have performed to an extent, but Punawala is lacking some profit, right? So we will explain what is going on in Punawala, what are its fundamental, and why we are still positive about that, why we are still confident about Punawala, and when we can re-enter the stock at Punawala, and when we can average the stock. Each and everything of Punawala, we will explain it to you right now. We have made an entry at 390 395, right, and the second entry was 360 365 level. This was the two entry we made in Punawala. Now we will analyze why Punawala could be a big thing for you, and why Punawala is a good stock by our research. Right. So we have seen all most of the stocks which we have provided to you has been doing really well as of now, but we are also expecting this Poonawalla to do well. And what are its fundamental? We will analyze what are its scorecards, what are its balance sheet, what is its performance, what are its peers doing, what are its holding, the promoter holding, the FII holding, the DII holding, what are its valuations, what are its growth, okay? What are its profitability it's making, what are the revenue, what are the revenue growth, what is the EPS, what is the P. We will analyze each and everything. We will do the 360 analysis of this stock and recommend you what on our basis why this Punawala holds an important to our analysis and what it could hold for you, right? After the analysis, we will provide you the analysis. Either you should buy this stock as of now, either you should average this stock or hold whatever you have as of now. So we will start with the analysis now. Now look, Poonawalla is an financial company, as we know. It's an NBFC which provide loans to the customers, either a personal loan or business loan, right? And we are seeing there is a growth in India in personal loan. In last 5 years, the growth of personal loan has been doubled, right? There has been demand for personal loan has grown a lot, and it is increasing day by day. When people spending power is increasing, people are buying more on credits, the availability of credits, the availability of loans are available more. So Poonawalla is playing a main factor in it. Poonawalla has a good base. The owner of Poonawalla FinCorp was Adhar Poonawalla, which is a billionaire in India, and it is and they have a very good setup of business, and we believe that Poonawalla would be the next big thing which we are expecting as of now. Now we will look into the analysis. We will go deep down into the fundamental analysis of Poonawalla and look what it holds for us and what is going to be as of now and in the future. We will look after the performance of 1 day and till the 5 year. Till today, the Poonawalla is not performing much. Poonawalla is down by 0.18% on a weekly basis. Poonawalla is moderate. Poonawalla is giving return of 1.65% as of now, and it's consolidating at this range 350 to 367. Right? And in a monthly basis, as you can see, Poonawalla on the monthly basis has fallen down to 286 level, right? Can you see it? Like, it has fallen down to 286 level, but it is making its new high. It is gaining from 1 month. It's gaining. It has given a return of 27% of return. But we have provided before that there were some breakouts in Poonawalla. That's why maybe the stock is falling down, right? But we will analyze why it's falling down, why it has broken the resistance, broken its support, and gone down, and again it's getting back. Once we average the stock, once it gets to its level, it will break its resistance and go more high. We will analyze each and everything. In 1 year return, you can see the Poonawalla has ranged from 519 to 270, but it's average from last year, right? There's been no return, almost no return as of now. It has traded in good volume. That's why it's showing some positivity. But from April of 24, it's little bit negative. From November to January, it was positive till March. But from April onwards, it is showing some negativity in it, and the stock is falling down. There's some great, uh, good red candles. That's why it has fallen a lot, but it is showing some positivity. It has bounced back from this level, and we are consolidating it here. Now we will look why the stock is not performing well as of now. As we know, the we have discussed about its businesses. It's a consumer finance. It's in consumer finance businesses. It comes in the small cap industry. So we see that most of the NBFC sectors, which we have in even in the larger sectors, we have NBFC and banks in the large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and they are growing at a very rapid pace in India, right? So we are positive about that, positive about the industry, right? Each and everything, and it has a lot of growth potential because it is still in a small cap industry. Now, talking about the risks, it is trading at a volatility of, sorry, excuse me, it is trading at a volatility of 2.83 x as of Nifty. Since the stock is very volatile, stock is showing movement a lot, it is obvious that stock will be having more volatility in it. But the risks which we have is a moderate in terms of its volatility. The stock is going to a level, it's falling down. It has shown the range from 270 to 519, which is a which shows the volatility in the stock, right? And we will also analyze why the volatility in this stock is is dominantly by the large volume trading. It is dominated by large volume trading in the stock. It has shown some good upside and good downside in it, but overall it has given you the moderate return till the year. But it has been increasing in from the last month. It has fallen down in previously, but it is increasing down last month. Now, looking at the 5 year chart, the Poonawala has given a great return. As we have seen, as we were talking about the analysis, right? The banking financial sectors analysis. So the banking financials are going good in India. Now we can see the low was as low as 12 rupees. The Poonawala was trading at a point at 12 rupees, and it has made a high of 519 as of now. So approximately we have gained 40 to 45% in Poonawala. 40 to 45 times, not 40 to 45%. 40 to 45 times it has given you the return. Suppose you have invested 1 lakh in it, it could have been 45 lakhs as of now. Just imagine the wealth creation you could have made, right? Just imagine the wealth creation which you have made through Poonawala. Now we will analyze its key matrices and profile. As we know, we have discussed this. Poonawala is a Cyrus Poonawala group, right? It's deals in non-banking sector, and we have its peer Bajaj Finance, Geo Financial, Sriram Finance also doing quite really well. Bajaj Housing Finance Limited performing well. We will look its first. We will look at its performance. Uh, till absolute, as we have discussed, the absolute return year till date is at moderate. It is minus 1.0%. But annualized 5 year CAGR annualized return has been great. It is 51.7%, 74% annualized return. It has been giving to us. As we have already discussed, 1 lakh could have been 44 lakh as of now, 45 lakhs, right? And we have a forecast of expected forecast of 1 year, which is minus 12.95%. But we are very positive, as we are seeing the stock is growing as of now, right? And it has shown some consolidation here. Now it will be growing to a extent. Comparing its peer analysis, we have a valuation, we have a Poonawalla P at very low as compared to its peer. Right? Look, the Poonawalla PE ratio, the price to earning ratio is 16.70 as compared to its peer Bajaj Finance 28 and Geo Financials at 129. Can you look? Geo Financial is having a PE ratio of 129 and Sriram Finance is the average of Poonawalla. But the two main competitors of Poonawalla is having a high PE, are trading at the are overvalued as of now. So Poonawalla makes an attractive investment to you as of now, right? And price to book value is also moderate. It is matching with its peer dividend yield. It is providing a dividend yield of 0.55%, which Geo Financials doesn't provide, right? And compared to its stock price, we have the the stock price we have Geo Financial is only the gainer as of now. Geo and Poonawalla and Bajaj Finance are trading at its moderate, which are trading at 5 to 10% down. But Geo Financials have gained, but it also has the high PE, which supports its method, right? Which also has the high PE as of now. Now we will look the its valuation. What are its valuation and what are it's going to be in future. The valuation is also looking attractive. Uh, it yeah. Now now the valuation we are looking here. We are looking at the growth potential. We are looking at the growth potential and valuation in the market. It has made a high of in the forecast for the November. We are expecting it to grow as we have already discussed. The median forecast was minus 12.95%, but it has grown a lot and we are expecting it to be positive. The high side potential is 44.439%. The price forecasted we have as of now. Now we are expecting it to grow to a good level. Now the growth we are lacking. The growth valuation is seems to be overvalued. Growth seems to be overvalued as of now. The price to earning ratio is also good and we are expecting a forecast for November 2025. The next forecast is at 525 and the median forecast is 316, which is little bit below its level, right? And we will look at the profitability of the Poonawalla. The profitability, the return on equity on Poonawalla is 22.38%. And the net profit margin, it has 30.66%. The profit margin is also good in Poonawalla, right? The profit margin which is generating from the revenue, the profit is good. The margin which is had, it's very good, which makes a very attractive from its peer. The cash flow has been a major problem in Poonawalla. The cash flow has been negative. The cash flow has been 137.69% as of now. Minus, it's in minus 137.69%, which is a major problem in Poonawalla, but it is backed by the good investors, Cyrus Poonawalla organization. So we don't have to worry about the cash flow. It will be provided with the cash flow and it will be going good. The entry point we can look, the stock is overpriced but not in the overbought zone. The stock is overpriced from its entry point, but it is not in oversold zone. We are analyzing that the stock is in overpriced zone, but it is not. Its business also supports that the growing market in India in non-banking financial sector supports the Poonawalla factor, right? And there has been lot of increase in consumer loan market in Poonawalla in India. There are no red flags found. ASM, it's not in the ASM list, not in the grey market list. Promoter holding is also not much placed. Neither unsolicited message is being circulated on manipulative of this stock. This is the most important thing. When the stock is manipulated by some operators or by anything which could have affected its credibility, that is not present in the market and that is not present in the news. So you can look what is good for us as of now. And there is there is also low probability of default, low probability of default in next 12 months. Hey, we will look after more. We will go more into more analysis as we have already discussed. Is peer are performing good? We will look into the returns of the peers which we have as of now. The Bajaj Finance is trading at a down of 6.20% in 1 year return. In 1 year period, its all P is also high as compared to the Poonawalla FinCorp 28.33, whereas Poonawalla only had a P of 16.70. Now coming to the Geo Financials. Geo Financial is having a P of 129 with a 1 year return of 42.81%. Its P is also high, but people are trusting more. People are even able to buy at the high P. People are even ready to buy at high P the Geo Financial Services. And we are looking in the Sriram Finance. Sriram Finance is having a PE of 15.55 and it has generated a return of 49.96%. It is also attractive for investors, those who want to compare to its peer. They can, after Poonawalla, they can consider Sriram Finance as an investment. Sriram Finance, because it's a low P and also generated returns for the client, which makes it attractive, which makes of its uh, upper fundamental very good and looks attractive. We will analyze once we get any update on Sriram Finance, and we will look what it holds for us. The and rest Cholamandalam Finance and Bajaj Housing Finance Limited are having high PE. Right? This two stock Sriram Finance and the Poonawalla Finance are making it good very good expectation for the investor in non-banking financial sectors. Now we have a price forecast for this Poonawalla. As we have already seen, the price forecasted for Poonawalla is been uh, is at high as 44.39% and median in median terms it is 12.95% and low at 33.99%. But we also have our analysis, right? We also have our analysis where we can could have entered the stock, where we need to exit the stock. Each and everything we will be providing to you. It's not about the forecast which we are having it here. We will be also forecasting. We will be also having our research there. Some maybe some story which can unfold in inside, and we are aware about that. And we will let you know each and everything, and we will analyze the technicals. We will analyze the fundamental. If there is any change in promoters holding, is there any change fundamentally, and we will go through each and every analysis and let you know about it. Now, the revenue forecasted, it was expected revenue growth of uh, 50 for the next year is less than last 3 years CAGR revenue growth of 30. It has the revenue has fallen. The revenue has fallen as of now, right? The revenue has fallen as of now. The current, because it was expected revenue is minus 50.16% for less next year, which was 32.52%. It was generating a revenue increase of 32.52% in last 3 years, but it is decreasing 50.16% for next year. We are expect it's a revenue forecast which we are expecting, looking into the businesses and everything. It has posted a revenue growth of 132.35% here, but it is expected to decrease a bit. It is expected to decrease a bit, yeah, by 46 40 or 50%. Right? And earning per share, we look into the earning per share. The current is 21.88, which is a good sign for the which is a good sign for the investment. But it is forecasted the earning per share could be low as 4 and 2 for the next year. The forecast for next year is quite negative, but we have to be updated. What can unfold here? What are the possibilities that Poonawalla can do well, and what are the possibilities even if we go down? Even if it's go down, what are the exit point where we can exit, or what are the averages we can do when it's going down? Now we will analyze the financial statements of Poonawalla. No, no, the income statement, the higher than industry revenue growth over the last 5 years, it has grown at a yearly rate of 17.07%, versus the industry average was 15.121%, but the growth of Poonawalla revenue growth was 17.07%. The mild increase, it is showing good performance from its competitors, from its peers. And there's been increase in market share for Poonawalla from 2 to 3%, which is a good sign. In banking sector is a very big sector. Even if you gain 1% in the banking sector, it's a very good amount of chunk of revenue you are getting from the market, right? So from 2 to 3%, the market share growing of Poonawalla is a very good sign. And the net income has also grown at a yearly rate of 40.81%, which is double to the industry average, right? The net income has doubled at a rate of 40.81% versus the industry average of 220.98%. So the net income which is showing by Poonawalla has providing you the double return, has providing you the double return from its industry average. So we have one question with the investor. Can you go through the chat and technical? We want to know of which stock you are the Poonawalla, right? So we will go to the charts and technical of Poonawalla in the site of. We will look how Poonawalla is performing. We have made two entry in the Poonawalla. The first entry was at 390.95 level, and the second entry which we made was at 360.365 levels. And averaging that, Poonawalla currently trading at 361, 370 level, right? 360, 370 level. We are expecting it to break. We have already mentioned the average price for the strength. Average price was 375 for the both the entries which we have made. And there is a strong support here. There is a strong support here which we have made here at 340. The Poonawalla has fallen down at this point of time, breaking its strong support, but it is gaining as of now. Now we are seeing there has been increase. There is showing some positivity in the Poonawalla, and we are expecting it to increase a bit and gain insights. And we are expecting it to increase it by this level, 400, 405 levels. Once we enter that target area of our previous call of 390.95 level, right, we will be able to exit at 420, 425 levels, and we will able to cover up all the averages which we have made and all the profits which we have, which will generate. There are some few stocks which we have not generated a profit in it. We are analyzing that stocks, and we are understanding what it holds and what are the futures of that stocks, and why we should still be confident about that stock holding it. As we have gone through a chart, we will be back to our analysis of Poonawalla. We will do the fundamental analysis of it. Uh, Now we will look. We were analyzing at the income statement, right? The income The Poonawalla income is been growing significantly from the year 2016. It is showing some gain in it from the last 2 3 years. The income was fallen at 21 22 from 2300 crores to 1600 crores, but it has increased to 5400 crores, right? 5487 crores. So we are expecting a very good increase in revenue. We also talked about the net income. In 2021, the net income was 558, and as of now, the net income has grown to 1600 crores as of now, right? And we are expecting it to be very good. The net income is increasing. Net income was even 200 crores, 20 crores, but and we are expecting an increase in this Punawala to we have seen an increase in Punawala till 1682 crores. Right, the EPS is also growing, earning per share is also growing from 7, 8 in last 2 years to 21.88 in the year 2024. And we are also having an annual report as of now, but once we go into the annual report, it takes a lot of time to understand and read. We will go through the annual report. We will also teach how to understand the annual report and what it holds and what are the potential it is holding in the annual report. Now we will come to this peers comparison. Hey, valuation. We are looking into the valuation as we have already talked about the valuation. It has average valuation as compared to its peer. Even it's low from its major industry players of Geo Financial and Bajaj Finance, which are very high P, which makes overvalued towards the market, and it's make attractive. The Poonawalla it's make attractive for the investment because it has low P as of now. And looking at the technicals, we have the volatility in Poonawalla has been high. So there has been trading going on with a strong volume. The price momentum rank which it had it is a number one. There has been strong volatility going on, and the RSI is also below 70, which tells in the 40-day range it is in oversold zone. Right now, we will look at the price comparison of Poonawalla as we have already seen that Poonawalla and Bajaj Finance, its peers, are not performing really well. This year was not good for them, but only this competitor Geo Financials is performing good. Now we will talk about the most important thing in any stocks, the promoters holding. The promoter holdings are the most important thing in any stock. If you feel that promoters are increasing their stake in a stock, then there is something good going on, there is something good planning going on for this company, and it may give good returns. And when promoters are decreasing the stock, that means the company is will be facing some problem. If promoter is placing their stock, there may be some problem in the company which promoter don't want you to know. So everyone wants to earn more and more. So when promoter increases their stake, it means that company is doing good, or there may be some other reasons. But in most of the cases, what we see, when the promoters increases their stake, there has been lot of positivity in the stock going on. It has been historically seen. When promoter increases their stake, there has been positivity in the stock. Now we will look at the shareholding pattern of the promoters. Now we will look the first we will look at the promoter holding. Promoter holding has been constant throughout. Total promoter holding has been constant throughout. In the Poonawalla, it has been a mile of 161 to 62%, but it has not increased or decreased much. Right? It has decreased from 62 to 61.87%. It has maintained an average of 61 62% as of now. We are not expecting any decrease or increase in it. Now we look at the mutual funds. Now, mutual funds have decreased their investment in the Poonawalla from 6.13%, which is backed by some other institutions. I guess many other institutions were also have also entered, like domestic institutional investors have entered from 1.18%. It has increased their stake to 6%. The mutual fund have decreased their stake it has been decreasing their stake, but in last quarter they have increased their stake as of now, right? And in other domestic institutional investor is increasing their stake. Can you look 1.88%? 1.88%, it was the other domestic institutional investor. Now it has increased to 6.6%. Now look, when the other domestic institutions buy, other than mutual fund, it is a very positive sign, because they are very good at research, they are very good at predicting the market, which is a good sign for us, right? And looking at the foreign institutions have been constantly believing the stock. They have not reduced their stock. They have maintained their stake from 7 to 8% as of now. And retails and others are decreasing it. The more the retail decrease in any stock, and other institutions, foreign institutions, DII and promoted increase in stock, that is positivity, because retailers go and invest on the basis of market fear and greed basis. But domestic institutional investors, foreign institutional investors and promoter increase their stock on the fundamental basis, on the technical basis, and what the business is unfold in the market, right? So we have analyzed each and everything from Punawala. We will go top to down once more and let you know why it is a good or why, and let you know why it is a bad or good investment as of now. As we can see, the Punawala has given a tremendous return from ranging slow from 12 to 500 levels, right? And now we are seeing a consolidation going as of now, but in monthly chart we are expecting a very bullish pattern, and we are expecting it to grow as of now. And the performance was average, valuations are high, but it is supported by the growth which is unfolds in the market. The growth is low in the financial growth, but we are expecting it to grow. Its market share have also grown, right? The market share is increasing of Punawala, which will be backed by its revenue growth and the profitability growth. And we will look at the entry point. The entry point, we have seen the stock is not in oversold zone. As we have discussed, RSI is around 40, which indicates a positivity. Technically we can enter this stock as of now. And the forecast which we have discussed, the revenue is showing some negativity in coming years. It may decrease to it may decrease to 2.93 for as it is current at 5.49 thousand crores, right? And the forecast for the March 2025 is also low. The revenue, the earning per share may decrease a bit, but the income statements are high. Income statements are showing very really good. Balance sheets are also lower than balance sheet is also lower than industry. Debt to equity ratio, the debt to equity ratio is lower than in the industry. Like you can say the financials are very good of this stock. Financial are showing very positivity. It's higher than industry current ratio. It's lower. The debt is also low, but and current ratio is also higher than industry. The revenue is growing, the profitability is growing, it's increasing its market share. So the valuation is justified here, and we can think about investment here. Right, the stock has also fallen, which makes it attractive. We have also gone through the peer analysis. The valuation, the price to earning ratio is low, and it has not given return till now, which makes it very attractive for the investment. And we have also looked the promoters holding and the shareholding patterns. Promoter holdings are constant. The other institutional foreign institutions are constant. Mutual funds are buying this stock. Retailers are decreasing that stock, right? So it's makes overall a quite mixed of, even if we see the valuations and each and everything, it's a very good stock for the long term, considering its business, its potential which it holds in NBFC sector. NBFC sector is booming in India. The consumer finance sector is booming in India. So this stocks holds a lot of potential. It is backed by good investors, good owners, good founders, which has a very great vision, and they have been proving their vision through their work. Hey, and we can consider this stock for investment purpose as of now. We have also made two entries. Looking into the technical, we have made two entries at 390, 395, and at 360 levels. which we are expecting it to grow now. We are expecting once it breaks 370, 375 levels, it will be reaching its high at 420 levels, 425. And then we will come with update once again. What are the possibilities? It can go more high or it will be at that range, consolidating on that. But as of today, we have analyzed the Poonawalla fundamentally from top to bottom, right? We have seen its performance, we have seen its valuation, we have seen its growth, we have compared it with peer analysis, we have looked into its PE ratio, why it is overvalued, why the valuation which Poonawalla holds is justified, right? Which is justified by its revenue growth, its profitability growth, the current ratio. It is justified by that. It is better than its industry peers. It is doing great than average industry peers, which they are doing. Now we are coming close to the end of our session, so we will again analyze what the Nifty is going through and what we are here for. As of now, we have updated our holdings. So we can see the Hindustan Oil Exploration, NFL, and Poonawalla. We have entered, made an entry here. The NFL we have already exited at this point 116, 120 level, which was trading at the 115, 116 level as of now. And we have made a fresh entry at Hindustan Oil Exploration yesterday, and it has been trading around the range of 190, 195, which we are expecting it to grow. The IP rings which we have made entry is also consolidating a bit as of now. Poonawalla, we have already told we have entered at the position of 390.95 and 360.65. That is very good. We have made two entry into the Poonawalla, and we have analyzed Poonawalla from top to bottom. In each and every session, I assure you that we get analysis in some stock, we get insights into some stock, and even if stock is not performing well, what we can go through, right? And talking about our tracking record, which we had a great profitability in previous. We are we are providing you with the service, right? We are providing you the live streaming session for free as of now, but we won't be providing it for long. It is just for 2 3 weeks. Come join our services, take maximum benefit out of it. And we provide recommendation on equities and the stock market in India, and we try to make your profitability grow. And by making your profitability grow, we are happy, you are happy to make profit, and your financial well-being grows and the trust grows between us. We are here at Dolphin Market to provide you with the research, good research, right? We are here to provide you with the profitability. Now look, now we have seen our profitability margin. In most of the stocks, we have already exited that stock. We have taken the profit out of it. Overall, we will understand what we have gone through, what we have achieved till now. Now, look, the profitability which we have achieved is 168% in last 2 months, right? In last 2 months we have achieved 168% in last 2 months, and we have closed 29 trades. Can you look, we have closed 29 trades, and we have achieved a profitability of 168% in last 2 months, which is a great sign. Are you able to make that profit by yourself? Please let us know in the comment section. If you are able to make your profit by that self, one, and if you are not able to make that profit by yourself, please type two. We are here to recommend you, we are here to guide you, we are here to take you to the profit level, we are here to support you in your investment journey and make your investment journey fruitful and profitable. We are we are here. We are all, not only deals in equity, we also deals in forex, we also deals in commodities, we also deals in the markets of forex and commodities, gold, silver, beet, USD, JPY, INR. But we want you to gain hand-on experience in equity. We want you to get profitability out of equity. Once you are comfortable in equity with us, we will take you to the forex. The forex trading is growing market, the forex market is a very growing market, and we can achieve more greater profitability in the forex market in India. Hey, now we will look how we have gone through this session. We have explained we have explained each and everything to you, and today's session, from starting from Nifty, going down to explanation of Poonawalla, and explaining each and every stocks which we have in our watch list, which we have provided to you, and what are the future possibilities of that stocks. The stocks which we have provided are trading from last 5 days. It is trading at an average. It is consolidating as of now, but we are expecting it to grow much more. And some stocks is even given 5 to 10% profit in last week. We have achieved our profit in most of the stocks. So if you are not into the market, you are just thinking about making money, your money will not be made. Your money is made by investing the money, and not only investing the money, the investing your money in a right platform with right advice, with right advisory. If you go with the wrong advisory, you will go with the wrong research, it could have been very financial impact, and in market you cannot afford that, right? Well, because every mistake has a financial burden on you. So we recommend to come with us. We are here to provide you with the service at Dolphin Markets. We are here to provide you with the recommendation. Now, uh, as you have already seen, we have achieved this profits as of now when we have closed 29 trades. If you have any questions regarding this session, from explaining Nifty to our stock fundamental analysis, which you have any doubt on that, we are here to solve that, right? And we are here to solve your query. Now we are coming to the end of our session, and remember, this live streaming session is only free for next 3 weeks. This is a VIP services which we are providing, and it won't continue for long. So take most benefit out of it. The entry which we gave, the exit which we gave, take profit out of it. And if you feel more confident about your investment, please let us know what are your investment. We are here to restructure it. We are able to provide the balancing, what are the stocks you can add, what are the stocks you should take the exit, and provide you with the analysis of your portfolio and everything. And we are here to provide you with the profit. Not everyone is here in the market to make profit, right? So we, you, everyone will make profit. Now we will come back to our next session post market. Till then, take care and happy investing. Make money.